Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering ingredients. 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 lime, 1 tablespoon Jaljeera powder, 1 tsp roasted cumin, 1 tsp black salt. Add 2 tsp sugar and 150 ml chilled soda. Set aside 1 cup ice cubes and optional 30 ml white rum. Wash mint and lime. Cut lime into wedges and juice half for immediate use. Reserve a wedge for garnish. In a small bowl, combine Jaljeera powder, roasted cumin, and black salt so the spices are ready. This prep speeds. Begin assembling in a sturdy tall glass. Place 12 mint leaves, 2 tsp sugar, and the juice from half a lime. Use a muddler to press and twist gently to release oils. Do not shred leaves. Add 1 tablespoon of the prepared Jaljeera mixture and 30 ml white rum if you prefer a cocktail, otherwise skip the rum. Fill the glass with 1 cup ice cubes, then pour 150 ml chilled soda over the ice. Stir gently 3 to 5 times. Finish by garnishing. Place a lime wedge on the rim, add a fresh mint sprig, and sprinkle about 1 tsp Jaljeera powder on top for aroma. For a more pronounced edge, rim the glass with lime and dip in a mix of black salt and Jaljeera. Serve immediately over 1 cup ice to keep the soda fizzy and mint bright. Offer extra lime wedges and up to 1 tsp more sugar on the side so guests can adjust sweetness and tang to taste. Enjoy chilled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.